Let us take a small topic in class 12th physics, that is wattless current. Suppose IRMS be the current which is applied across series combination of LCR circuit and VRMS be the potential drop. Then resolve this IRMS in two components where phi is the phase difference between current and voltage. Then IRMS cos phi will give us the component of this current along the voltage, and IRMS sin phi is the component of current normal to it. We know that power consumed in case of series LCR circuit is given by P is equal to VRMS IRMS cos phi. P is average power and VRMS into IRMS is virtual power. Cos phi is called power factor. Here is no component consisting of sin phi. Therefore, this component of this current IRMS sin phi is not contributing in power. So this is called wattless current. IRMS sin phi component of this current is called wattless current as it is not contributing in power consumption, and this component of current IRMS cos phi is called wattful current. That's all about this topic. Thank you.